Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove SD card from a GoPro 12. And to do this, first we'll need to open a hatch on the right side of the camera, and you can do it by pulling this lever right here down, just like that. Now it should open, and inside you can find the battery. And also there's SD card slot right there. Now take the SD card and align it just like that. Stick it inside the slot and now use your fingernail or something thin to push it until you hear the click. Okay, so now it's inserted. As you can see, it's not sticking out. And now to remove it, you'll need to do basically the same thing but in reverse. So just click on the card and then simply remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.